How you doing, my friend? All right. What's a good place for food?
Prima.
Yeah.
Food.
Food. Yeah.
That's right. That's good.
It's good. Good food. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. All right. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Right, do we push? Oh, it's You guys are waiting? Yeah. Wow, okay. I'll probably come back. What time close? What?
I think 11.
11? Okay, I'll come back then. Alright, thank you. Hello. Yeah, too many people. I come back. A lot of people. Thank you. This looks alright. What's the best thing you have?
This one. Pork noodles. Pork noodles.
Pork noodle? Can I see a picture of it? Which one is this one right here? So this is
one is the pork noodles for the this one the meat.
so this is pork
Pork, yeah.
and it comes with noodle
Yeah.
for $8.50?
Yeah.
Okay, I get one. All right, thank
So
you.
what noodles you want?
It's not spicy, right?
Nah, no spicy.
Okay.
Medium good.
Okay. And
And then TV, coffee, also can.
let me see. I'll probably go with this one. Yeah, I'll go with that one. All right. Okay. I'm gonna eat here. Yeah, yeah. Thank you.
This one is the record.
For vlog.
For vlog.
Yeah, yeah. For YouTube. Yeah. Uh-huh. YouTube and TikTok. Yeah.
You are YouTuber.
A vlogger. Yeah. I'm gonna give you my channel later. All right. Alright guys, I'm here at a pork and noodle place right here in Malaysia near the mall, right across the street from the mall, from Setia, Eco Hill. All right. The chef, #1 chef. So this is Chinese from the mainland or
Chinese food or other food?
or from Hong Kong. No, it's from mainland.
Malaysia start like a foodporn and then
Oh. Okay, but mostly Chinese.
yeah.
This is like little Chinatown a little bit? Yeah? Okay. Alright, thank you. Hi. Hello. You too. Alright.
You're a liar. You say my darling rose and fire. And fire. You say my darling rose and fire. You're a liar. Shivers my spine so swimming in the rain. I'm trying to let go.
Alright. That's the finished product, guys. Looks very good. Yummy. Alright.
You want the drinks?
Drinks later.
Later.
Yeah, the soup is good. I'm gonna drink the soup.
Okay.
Yeah. Gonna try it out. So it's
If you
eight.
want to order, you can order the main one. The red color one, the main one. The drink one.
Okay. Oh, over there. Okay. All right. No problem. Thank you.
Or the woman one. Also can.
Okay. There's a store over there too.
Oh,
Yeah. Yeah.
you want it?
Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you. So this was 850, guys. 850 ringgit. So about $2 USD. The pork. It tastes like the pork meat inside of the wontons. Yeah, guys ever had a wonton noodle soup? Kind of tastes just like it. Get a sip of the broth. Broth is very good. Tasty. Hi, hello. Very delicious. Let's try the noodles, guys. Noodles right here. Noodles are very good. With the bok choy. This looks like right here. This looks like pork intestines. Now this is a big bowl of noodles. I actually had vegan noodle soup the other day with eggs and bok choy. This right here got pork in it, so this is way better. I was on a vegetarian diet, vegan diet for the past couple of days because I ran out of chicken drumsticks. Right where I'm at right here, it's right across the street from the mall. That's the Eagle Mall right there. So whenever you guys are in the area, I'm pretty sure this spot gets busy during lunchtime. I can imagine. good, guys. This is the damage. I don't play games when it comes to food. Alright guys, now I'm gonna walk around, see what else there is around here, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.